Hi, my name is Kirsti Kirkland. I am 42 years old, and I started coming to see Dr. Andrews about almost a year ago. And before I came to see him, I had trouble sleeping. I was irritable all the time, extremely exhausted and frustrated, felt sad and depressed, and couldn't think very clear, so my brain was all foggy. So I felt like I hit rock bottom and was looking for something new to try, and came to see him and started on bioidentical hormone therapy. And now, I think it's been 5 treatments later, I actually have energy to do what I want to do. I am happy and excited. I can think clearly, help my kids with their homework. I teach school, so that takes a lot of energy, but I have what it takes to interact with my students and still come home and do what I need to at home. I am not frustrated anymore. I sleep really well through the night, and life is just 100% better.